Hi there, I'm Jairo from Contabo. Today, I'll show you how to install MySQL on your server and create your first database in just a few minutes. Let's get started. MySQL is a relational database management system that organizes data efficiently using structured query language, or the SQL. It's widely used in web applications, e-commerce platforms, and analytics. Mostly MySQL is used in web applications when it manages user authentication and content storage. For WordPress or Drupal. For e-commerce platforms to store product catalogs, orders, and transactions, like Magento or WooCommerce. For data analytics, helping businesses to store and analyze structured data, and in many business applications when tracking customer records, finances, or inventory. If you have ever placed an order online or logged into the app, chances are MySQL was working behind the scenes. Installing MySQL on Ubuntu or Debian is simple. Just follow these steps. Update and install MySQL using this command. Secure the MySQL installation with this one. And check the MySQL service. If it is inactive, start it with the command shown on the screen. Now, let's create a database and a table. Log into MySQL with this command. Create a database typing the command on the screen. And create a table doing this. Insert your data like this. And retrieve the data. And that's it. You created a database and table successfully using MySQL. For security, when managing users and permissions, avoid using the root account. Instead, create a new user. That is pretty simple. First, create a new user with this command. Then grant permissions with this. This user now has full access to my database. Last but not least, protect your data by creating backups using this command, which saves a copy of my database to backup SQL, and this, which restores data from backup SQL into my database. To automate backups, use a simple script and a scheduled task. Create a shell script with nanobackup.sh and paste in the commands shown on the screen. Schedule, for example, daily backups with crontab-e, and add this command on the screen so backups are automated so that you will never lose any data. And that is it. You have successfully installed MySQL, created a database, and learned how to back up your data. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.